You ever buy a tool and immediately wonder how you lived without it? That's exactly what happened when I picked up this 1-ton Arbor press for my leather workshop. Let me show you why this thing instantly became one of the most useful tools in my shop. So here's what you get right out of the box. The press itself, a rotating anvil base, 3 different drifts that are different shapes, and a handle with a locking screw if you want to stop it from sliding around. The assembly took maybe 5 minutes. It was super simple, but here's a quick heads up. If you're working with leather, you're probably going to want to swap out the rotating base for a flat steel plate. I've got one on the way, but I'll show you how I'm using it in the meantime. Let's talk about what this press can do, because honestly, that's where it gets fun. I started with die cutting. I slapped a magnet under the base so I can drop in different dies and punch out different shapes. Super clean and super easy. But the real game changer is that little hole in the base of the ram. It lets you drop in tools, such as your stitching chisels, so that you can punch holes without waking up your neighbors, corner punches, English point punches, belt end punches, you name it. Also, that allows you to set rivets and snaps and different hardware. And it even allows you to stamp designs into your leather with different stamps. I've only had this press for a couple of days, but the possibilities keep popping into my head every single time I look at it. It's quiet, compact, and saves a ton of effort. If you work with leather, this is a no-brainer upgrade. If you want to check it out for yourself, I dropped an affiliate link in the description. And if you're watching on TikTok, hit the link tree in my bio. And if you want to see more tips, tools, and leather projects, hit that follow or subscribe button. Also, check out my own leather goods at puredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.